Hi there guys, how's it going? In this video I'm showing how I made this 1/6 scale miniature radio. For the purpose I'm using this glass from my old calculator. Carefully cut the piece you need from it. Here I took a small rectangular piece. Next take a piece of cardboard, cut it according to the glass piece. Now take the cardboard, cut the small piece out for the screen. For the speaker I'm using this plastic piece from an old motherboard. And some extra piece of cardboard for the switches. Now close the both end with cardboard. After painting I've given some detailing. Took a wire and twisted it for the headphones. For antenna I'm using small capacitors. When it all glued up it'll look just fine. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.